Hello, today is June 15th, 2019. Let's go over our calls. I'm still a bit under the weather, so I'm going to make this a bit short. Last time we said we were having a good chance of a quick drop of 8 to 10 points or more. We dropped a fast 11 points, so that worked. This is a pattern with the early high, and Monday's pattern has the early low. We had a buy signal. The minimum target printed immediately. There's an optional lower target when it printed. MEJT said it wouldn't stick. To me, this is another example of a rally failing to accomplish anything. The picture will change if we gap and take out this high early, which I'm not expecting. Otherwise, we have an all-day rally and you close under the early high. You have to use futures prices rather than cash prices, but even if you do, an all-day rally couldn't close over the early high. This is after many days where we gap up and can't hold on to the high. To me, it's a sign of churning at the top. I'm looking for lower prices on Monday. Again, if we gap up smartly, take this out. The signal's killed, the call's killed. If I look for lower prices Monday, we have enough of this churning for us to expect a significant drop before next week's out. And if we don't get that, then something funny is going on, and I'll have to reconsider my call, because at some point you have to quit signaling and start moving. But for now, I'm looking for lower prices, and that's today's call.